REXON fully automatic PLC control type double-stage vacuum transformer oil purifier. This video demonstrates our advanced PLC touchscreen interface, engineered for international power utilities and industrial maintenance teams. The system supports multi-language operation, including English, Chinese, Portuguese, French, Russian, and additional languages upon request, ensuring seamless operation for engineers worldwide. Our multi-language PLC system provides standardized and error-free operation across global sites, intuitive workflow guidance for operators with varying technical backgrounds, shortened training time and minimized operation errors, real-time monitoring and intelligent control throughout the purification process. Built for transformer service companies, EPC contractors, power plants, and maintenance departments, REXON's technology ensures high reliability, stable vacuum performance, and superior purification results for transformer oil treatment. REXON, engineering globally compatible, intelligent oil purification solutions for the power industry. Welcome to contact us for a customized solution. Website, www.rexonop.com